Oh my God. There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay, then I will stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be our best together.
Hey guys, what's up everybody? It's your girl Eve Macharia here. So guys, today I thank God for this wonderful day. It's a beautiful morning. Yeah, I'm sure you guys usually huwa mnakumbuka Mungu every morning that you wake up. Si kawaida mko mnaomba. So guys, anyway, as you can see behind me, sitaongea mob. As you can see behind me, I'm in a forest, yeah, whereby najua mnajiuliza where I am. This video is a continuation of the first video that I shot, yeah. On my way to Nanyuki. I'm still in Nanyuki. This is a forest behind me. I know mnajiuliza ni gani, and the first video I didn't show you how inside kuko aje, si ndio? So I'll take you along with me. I'll take you there inside. I show you wale wanyama wenye wako kule ndani, and I believe that you guys, you're going to enjoy this video. Kindly make sure, if you know that you're new here, welcome to this channel. Hit a like, leave a comment if you can, and yes, share if you can. So guys, sitawakalisha sana, so I'm waiting for someone and my other friends to come ndio tuelekee kule ndani. Najua hata wananingoja, nimeweka sana. So let's go. At least I show you wale wanyama tuko nao here